Musamseleku didn't keep his promises to his wives, all of them. He promised Macele that he want to have Istanbul polygamy, but he can't get married to a woman who already have her own child. He was married to his late wife Masaule. Masaule have her own child, not with the Musamseleku. Musamseleku didn't tell Macele the truth that his second wife have a child not with him. He got married to Makumalo. Musamseleku tells Makumalo that her child have to stay with Makumalo's parents because he was trying to hiding a secret to Macele. Macele heard with some rumors that Makumalo had a child. Musamseleku was dating Mangwabe. Mangwabe told Musamseleku that she had a child. So Musamseleku didn't keep his promises to his wives, especially to Macele. Musamseleku was dating Makumalo. Musamseleku promised Makumalo that he can't dating a woman who comes from Muzumbe or to marry a woman who comes from the same place with Makumalo. But Musamseleku got married to Makwela, his fifth wife. Musamseleku promised Mangwabe that Mangwabe should be the last wife. He can't get married to another wife. Musamseleku took Makwela as his fifth wife. So Musamseleku can't keep the promise. Especially Makumalo and Mangwabe, they feel disappointed with Musamseleku. Why Musamseleku disappoint them? What about Macele? Musamseleku can't keep his promises to Macele. Macele is his first wife. Why he keep his promises with Makumalo and Mangwabe? Makumalo and Mangwabe, they have got kids. And Macele, she got disappointed by Musamseleku what he did. Guys, imagine you can promise your first wife that you can't get married to a woman who have got a child, but the three of his wives, imagine Masaule, Makumalo, Mangwawe, all of them, they have got kids, not with Musamseleku. That's why Macele, she was too disappointed because Macele knows that Musamseleku can't keep the promise, especially when he said with his mouth. Even Macele didn't ask Musamseleku, but Musamseleku was lying to Macele. He said it with his mouth without being asked. He said, I can't get married to a woman who already have a child. But now he fall in love with those women who have got a child. So it's better Musamseleku to keep quiet. We don't know about Mayeni because Mayeni didn't tell us what Musamseleku promised. There is something Musamseleku promised Mayeni because Mayeni can't allow Musamseleku to bring the wife number 5. Mayeni, she is keeping quiet. We don't know about Makwela, but we know that Musamseleku promised Makwela many things, that he can build a house for Makwela, he can buy a luxury car for Makwela, he can bring. Musamseleku promised Makwela that he can fight for Makwela, that Makwela can have to stay in Muzumbe. But until now, Makwela, she is not staying in Muzumbe. So you can't trust a person. Those things he can say with his mouth that he can do or he can't do. Musamseleku can do those things he promised his wives. So they have to think that Musamseleku is a human being. He can promise things, but he can break that promise because Musamseleku never keep a promise. When he is failing to keep a promise to his wives, Mangwabe and Makumalo, they have to be aware on that. Maybe they think that they are special. We don't know. Musamseleku broke his promise with Macele. How he can keep their promise? Imagine. That's why Macele gave Musamseleku a pressure to took another wife, because why he can't took Makwela. Musamseleku broke the promise. Musamseleku sacrificed for Makumalo and Mangwabe. They already have kids, and Musamseleku broke their promise with Macele. Macele was very disappointed. Musamseleku, I don't understand why he is doing those things. He tells Masaule, Mangwabe, and Makumalo to hide their kids, to stay with their parents, because he doesn't want Macele to know, because he tells Macele lies about his promises.